Weird fact number 2, and I don't know how good I feel. Not good. I don't know if I should like say this to so many. I don't know if I should. What am I saying? I don't know. Hey guys, it's Caitlin and welcome back to my channel. So my camera is currently in the process of dying. It's got 10% left and it's lost like 30% in the last 5 minutes. So I'm gonna talk pretty fast. So I was looking through my old videos and I realized I have never introduced myself, which is a little bit awkward. So today we're gonna fix that. I'm gonna throw a few facts out there just for fun. You know, no one asked for this video, but I'm gonna do it anyways. So yeah, if you're new here, welcome. I'm a DIY person and I do DIY videos every single week and it's a ton of fun, so stick around for that. But today I'm actually just gonna sit here for like 20 minutes. Hope my camera doesn't die and like talk a little. So let's start off with the weird facts about me. I wasn't really sure what to say in this video. I didn't want to like lay out my whole life story and I also didn't want to give you like kindergarten facts because those are both really boring. So weird fact number 1, I love kids so much. They're so cute and adorable and oh, they're so cute. But I am so awkward around them. At least I feel awkward. I don't know if they perceive me as that like old weird kid or whatever, but I really like struggle between trying to be really nice, trying to be really fun, but also trying to be like super disciplined. Maybe it's because like I don't have a younger sibling, or that I just like didn't grow up with a lot of little kids in my life, but I have no idea why. I think it's more of like a personality thing more than anything else. Weird fact number 2, and I don't know how good I feel. Not good. I don't know if I should like say this to so many. I don't know if I should. You know, I'm almost 17, and this is so weird. My friends all know this. I still have an emotional attachment to all my stuffed animals. Like, they're so cute, and I just can't understand how there will be a day where I will just be like, stuffed animals are for little kids, and I don't care about my stuffed animals anymore. Oh, that's just such a sad. I can't think about that. Weird fact number 3 is I do really well generally under high pressure situations, but I don't do well at all before or after. So generally like leading up to a test, it's really, I don't handle it well. Like I have anxiety, so I'm always like freaking out. But then when it comes to the test, I'm pretty calm. It's okay. No matter how it goes, I stay pretty calm during the actual test. But then like once the test is over, if it didn't go well, I will also be freaking out about that. So, you know, it's kind of like a freak out before and after, but not when it's most important, which is probably good. A good example of this is my driving test that I took like 3 months ago. I spent the previous 3 weeks like freaking out, you know, watching people on YouTube failing the test left and right and just really thinking that I was gonna fail. And so we drove to the DMV, and once I pulled into the parking lot, I forgot how to park. I wasn't able to pull into the parking spot, and it was like right there, you know, which is one of those like easy parking spots, and I couldn't do it. I tried 3 times and I couldn't get the angle right, and it was so embarrassing. I had to like step out and let my dad do it, and obviously he did it in like one go because like, you know, it was a really easy spot. And so basically I was like, I am absolutely screwed for this. If I can't even park in the easiest spot ever, then like I'm not gonna pass this test. But fortunately, like when the actual proctor came, we were in the car, I was like, I am the most confident driver this town has ever seen, so they better watch out. And I ended up passing the test with 1 error. I freak out a lot, but fortunately not when it matters the most. But I do need to work on that because I have anxiety and it does suck. Okay, let's see. Things that I hate. Number 1, this is really easy. I really hate oranges. I have a thing against oranges. They smell awful to me. They taste awful. Well, I haven't tasted one in like 10 years, so I can't say for sure. But if that makes me sound like such a picky person, I'm really not. It's just, that's the one thing I cannot stand. And I don't know why, because I love fruits, I love vegetables. But something about oranges is just, ugh. I'm sorry to all of you that love oranges. I know most of my friends do, I know my family does. But I am not for oranges at all. Like orange scented candy, well no, orange flavored candy, orange scented lotion, like all of those, nah. I cannot. Another thing, and this is not weird at all, but I hate spiders. And like pretty much all bugs. I cannot name a bug that I actually like necessarily. But particularly spiders, if I notice one like a few feet away from me, I'll literally go into shock. I'll just be standing there, I'll be staring at it, and I'll be like, what do I do, what do I do? And like, I know my parents, they can grab a tissue, they can literally squish it with their fingers, and I'm like, oh, I cannot do that. That is just oh. Like my friend told me, like statistically, there's always a spider, like at least one spider, like 5 feet away from you or something at like all times, and that just makes me like so nervous. Alright, about where I live, because I feel like a few people might be curious about that. I was born and raised in the Bay Area, California, which is in the USA. So if you don't know where that is, chances are you've heard of San Francisco. So like the Golden Gate Bridge place, I live like a town over from there. And yeah, I'm fully Chinese, but I was born here, so grown up here my entire life, and I don't know if I want to stay in the Bay Area. I know it's a really like high desire place, but like living here is like ridiculously expensive, and I guess it just depends on like where I work like after college. So yeah, that was like my brief talking. I'm sure my camera is about to die. I'm sure it's really mad at me for trying to push it to its limits. But yeah, this is like a once and forever kind of video. Next week we'll go straight back into the DIY videos, and yeah, it'll be a lot of fun. So thank you so much for watching this. I really appreciate you, and I hope you have an amazing week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!